Honeybees are a species of bees known for their role in pollination and honey production. They belong to the genus Apis and are primarily represented by the species Apis mellifera, which is commonly referred to as the western honeybee. A bee's body is divided into three parts: a head with 2 antennae, a thorax with 6 legs, and an abdomen. All bees have branched hairs somewhere on their bodies and 2 pairs of wings. Only female bees have stingers, which are modified ovipositors, organs originally used to lay eggs. Many bee species have black and yellow coloration, but many do not. They actually come in a variety of colors, including green, blue, red, or black. Some are striped, and some even have a metallic sheen. They range in size from large carpenter bees and bumblebees to the tiny Perdita minima bee, which is less than 2 millimeters long. There are over 20,000 bee species worldwide, including the honeybee, which originated in Eurasia and has been imported around the globe as a domesticated species. Wild bee species live on every continent except Antarctica. In North America there are approximately 4,000 native bee species occupying ecosystems from forests to deserts to grasslands. Bees feed exclusively on sugary nectar and protein-rich pollen from flowering plants, unlike the carnivorous wasps from which they evolved. Honeybees are highly social insects that live in large colonies or beehives. Each hive consists of 3 main castes: the queen, drones, and worker bees. The queen bee is the only reproductive female in the colony. Her primary role is to lay eggs, and she can produce up to 2,000 eggs per day. Worker bees are infertile females and form the majority of the colony. They perform various tasks such as foraging, nursing the brood, building and maintaining the hive, and defending the colony. Worker bees are responsible for producing honey. Honeybees convert nectar, a sugary substance produced by flowers, into honey. Nectar is collected in a specialized honey stomach and transported back to the hive. Once in the hive, worker bees regurgitate and evaporate the nectar, creating honey, which is stored in wax honeycomb cells. Honey serves as a food source for the colony, providing energy and nutrients. Honeybees face numerous threats, including habitat loss, pesticide exposure, climate change, and pests such as varroa mites. These factors have contributed to the decline of honeybee populations worldwide, leading to concerns about their conservation. Honeybees are of great ecological and economic importance, as they not only pollinate agricultural crops but also contribute to the production of honey, beeswax, and other bee-related products. Humans have been keeping honeybees for thousands of years in a practice known as beekeeping or apiculture. Beekeepers maintain hives to harvest honey, beeswax, and other products. Beekeeping also plays a crucial role in supporting honeybee populations by providing managed colonies with suitable habitats and protection from threats. Honeybees are of great ecological and economic importance. They play a vital role in pollinating flowering plants, including many agricultural crops. Their pollination services contribute to the reproduction and yield of fruits, vegetables, nuts, and other crops. Honeybees are found on every continent except Antarctica. The queen bee is the only reproductive female in the colony. She is larger than other bees and has a longer lifespan. The queen bee has the longest lifespan among the honeybees. On average, a queen bee can live between 2 to 5 years, although some queens have been known to live for up to 7 years. Worker bees, which are infertile females, have a significantly shorter lifespan compared to the queen. Their lifespan varies depending on the time of year and their roles within the colony. During the summer, when they engage in intense foraging activities, their lifespan is around 6 weeks. However, worker bees that emerge in the fall or winter can live several months since their primary task is to help maintain the hive and care for the brood during the colder seasons. Drones, which are the male bees, have the shortest lifespan among the honeybees. Their sole purpose is to mate with the queen, and once their reproductive role is fulfilled, they are expelled from the colony. Drones typically live for around 6 to 8 weeks. As some fan facts, some species of bee employ a technique called sonication, or buzz pollination, when they harvest pollen. During sonication, the bee rapidly vibrates its flight muscles while attached to the flower. This loosens the pollen, which makes it easier to collect.